I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to make the 1Password desktop application auto-lock. Step 1. Open the 1Password application on your desktop computer. Step 2. Click the vertical ellipses above your name in the upper left corner of the screen. A menu opens. Step 3. Click Settings in this menu. The Settings window opens. Step 4. Click to select Security in the menu on the left side of this window. Security options are shown on the right side of the window. Step 5. Navigate down to the Auto Lock section and then click the drop-down next to Lock after the system is idle for. Options are displayed associated with how much time can pass before the system is locked. Step 6. Choose how much time you want to pass before 1Password automatically locks itself. In this example, I'll choose 10 minutes. Going forward, 1Password will lock automatically after your defined duration, and you'll need to re-enter the password to resume having it populate your passwords. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.